Sophie, let's go. A 12 e 14. Ninja.
Here is the Evanusic River. It starts over to our right-hand side up along the Evanusic Ravine and winds its way down through here. From here, it's going to wind its way into the Connecticut River, and from the Connecticut River into the Long Island Sound, and eventually out into the Atlantic Ocean. We usually have a guy sitting up here. His name is Eli. I don't see him at the moment. He's supposed to be up here, but
Mount Washington train. That's ice. Raspa aí. Congelou já, é gelo. Tem uns pit stop com aquecedor aqui. Tá congelado por dentro. Acho que esse tá desligado. One, two, three, jump! Aqui a gente pega água quente ou café, tem donuts e aqui tem chocolate para botar na água e fazer hot chocolate. Sophie, você quer um donut? Sophie, hot chocolate? Do you like it? Porque a cadeira roda aqui, ó. Aí ele gira pra você subir e depois gira pra você descer. Pra você ficar virado pra frente. Olha esse casaco. Você tá levando a neve da montanha pra casa? Uau. Yep. Pena que tá nublado, senão dá pra ver bastante coisa.
Everybody enjoy your stay up here? Some days it's not enough time when you're up here, and other days you just want to get out of here as quick as possible. Today's one of those days it would have been nice to have a few more minutes up here. Now my job as a brakeman on the way down is to watch forward, so I'm not going to be talking to you guys much on the way down, but if you have any questions, feel free to come up here real quick, ask the question, and go back to your seat. I'll allow that so that way you guys can get any questions answered. Now, my job, I'm going to be watching through this window. I told you guys about the bumper block and the roller block on the way up. Well, this is called the cog railway, so that's what I'm going to be watching, is I'm going to actually watch the cog underneath the engine down there. You can see it through this window. So if you wanted to come up, take a quick peek at that, I'll allow that today as well. Just watch your foot, and the floors do get really slippery.
Sophie, do you like the train?
Yeah. The base station, if I can talk.
Aquele ali foi o primeiro motorzinho, motor do primeiro trenzinho que subiu isso aqui. É um motor a vapor com água e lenha. O Pepper Sass. World first cog rail engine built em 1866. Wow. Então, Sophie, do you want to spin now? Spin.
Spin.
Go spin, Sophie. You want to follow the way.
O mesmo, eu acho. O mesmo. Oh, my lucky penny.
My lucky penny.